Hi, today I'm doing a FIFA Ultimate Team pack opening. Yes, pack opening. We're going to start with a rare mega pack. Okay, what the hell? I'm actually not looking. You can trust me on this. I'm going to walk out of the room. Okay. Here we go. I can't see. So, I'm coming in now. Coming in. Oh my god, really? Best player we get has to be CV, doesn't he? Well, I don't need. Wow, okay. Lots of contracts. Quite a bit of outfits there. Alright, we'll sell that. Ooh, a lot of money. We're going to gold packs now. This is where I got David Silva centre mid. I can't believe it either. Yep, I'm closing my eyes. I know, it's bad people, even though I can't see. Yeah, I knew it. Honestly. Never gives me someone good. Besides Silva. Silva was honestly awesome to get in the pack. Oh my god. After this we're going to be opening buying some gold players on transfer market, and we'll sell some of the players that... Oh wait, no we can't, I didn't keep any. Right. Oh, I just want to get an inform. Once I got a silver inform, so, and then I sold it and I got 5,000 from it, so that was pretty cool. So, I don't know why, but we'll open the silver pack, why not? Bam, and no one. I mean, it would be good, like if it's gonna be like a inform, it's gonna be good. Imagine if I got gold inform, just anyone good, like I don't even know, like a Messi. No, I think I'm going a bit too far ahead. Alright, this is the one before the last pack. I have no FIFA points left after it. I need a left mid. Alright, last packet. Here we go. Can't get anyone good, I know. Exactly. Sell them. And we've got 23,200. Alright. Oh wow, that is actually really good. Wow, okay, who can we get? We could actually get an inform, but I'm not gonna do that. Hell no. Gotta save this for good people. Yeah. It's a good market, this. It actually shows you some good stuff. I'll show you my squad after this. So, left mid. Ooh, okay. Oh, I don't want Sterling though. I don't really want Sterling. Oh, Turan, you had to be right, didn't you? Coleman, really? I mean, I'd go Sterling over Coleman. Who wouldn't? Come on. No, right mid, right. Damn it, should have got him. Damn it, should have got Turan. Ooh, send me in Modric. Nope. Oh, there actually was one back there, but I'm looking for the people that we know that are good. I've actually seen Willian perform. He's actually really good, so... Wait, what's going on? Good. Oh, I also need like a really good cam. Okay, what we got? Already got him. Wow, really? Oh, he's alright, man. No. No, I want him. I don't want to... I don't want to have a look at him. I actually want him. I just realised that I could probably get, what's his name? Kevin D. I always get the last bit wrong, so I'm not going to say it. There's a team of the year there. 14 for that guy. Wow. And 14 for that guy. That's pretty much like all of my money. Oh my god. Look at that Busquets. Ooh, that Pedro's nice. I like that Pedro. And that Oscar. Damn, there's some good people here that I can't get. Man. When is like Rodriguez or something gonna pop up? I bet we won't even get a cam now. There's an Oscar that's in there, and he's got 2 for bid, but someone's selling this guy, I know, because it's always 10 at the end. It's always 10 at the end. What? That's all my money for like a stupid Cam Ireland guy, or whatever his name is. I really don't care. I'd laugh if I could get Neuer. That would be cool. Oh, Jesus, overpriced Aguero, that's the one. Come to think of it, I love Just Cause 3 so much that I will actually do another one. I actually will. I just love that game so much. It's got to be one of the best things I've ever played. I'm not lying to you there. I'm not lying to you. No, I'm actually not. Okay. Come on, hit me with a cam. I've already got Oscar. Wait, it means I have 2 Oscars. Oh God, no. Oh no. Which one should I save? Should I save the cam one or the striker one? I'll go striker one because he's cool. There's a Marcelo team here. I'll go him. Because I am selling Oscar. I got a friend called Oscar actually. Yep, he watches these videos. Alright, what we got? Alex Vidal, sorry. I want to say Alex. That would be weird. Di Maria Cam, I don't actually want to pay all my money for that. Di Maria is a team of the year. But, you know, no, I'm not going to do it. I want a centre mid now. Oh yes. Ooh. Oh no. I've already got Benzema. Oh, come on. Falcao, Torre. Not. Have enough money, but I have way little people. Honestly, I really won't do this. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do a draft. Actually, I'll actually sell someone and do a draft. Now you can only go because we only have one right now, so we need to light this up. Oh god, no. Why? Why? Alright, well, I'll tell him. Oh, but it's the ST1. I forgot that I was keeping that one. What? Send club. Who doesn't want an Oscar? Honestly, who doesn't? Alright, let's go back. I'll show my squad. Boom. Low on people, I know. Oh, there's Griezmann there. So Isco, you fit in there with a green link up. A green link up, orange. Centre down mid, wow. I thought he was centre mid, alright. Well, yeah, as you can see, I got Ozil. So, yeah. And then he links up there. Green. Does that do anything? Nope. Nope. Oh, I don't understand that. Wait, how? Okay, we're going in here. Oscar and William. Just fits in there. I just realized that I already have a Rooney, so that kind of sucks. Ooh, yes. Oh, sorry, mate. Just Vidal got in there. Sorry. No, what are you doing? Wait, hold up. What's going on now? I don't actually... Oh, there we go. I'm gonna end it there and then I'll continue on this draft. Okay. See you. This is gonna be awesome.